stay with the same exact partner who you've been working with, and we're going to keep working with developing our language. And the 3 words we're going to focus on here are magma, which is crazy. It's not something I really knew until I started reading this 2nd grade text, that magma is what you get when it's still under the earth. It hasn't really broken through yet. And there's a lot of pressure, and it's pushing and maybe relaxing and pushing and relaxing, but it's under the surface. And then we have the and that's what happens when there's these bursts, and it goes fast into the air, and then it gets hard, and then you have, I always remember because if you step on it, it feels like right? And then pahoehoe is the more runny kind of lava that comes out and it flows and it's nice and smooth, and that's when you get the big fields of lava. They're made from the pahoehoe. So with the add-on snapshot, I'm going to do it like this. I don't know how you learned it before. I don't care. This is how we're doing it today. You're going to be my partner. So when the first partner goes, let's say that we're doing okay? So the first partner is going to take an kind of position, and when she's done, she's going to say the word go. Everybody practice that right now. Say the word go. Go. Now this is the hardest part, is saying the word go, because all you're thinking about is your body, and it's hard to remember. You got to trigger the next person to go, right? So Patricia, take your position. Go. Okay, so she's done. She said go. I'm going to take like 1 second to look. I'm not just going to run in there. I have to observe. So I'm just going to take 1 second to look. I'm going to notice and think, how can I connect to this piece? What part of the puzzle? Her body is like positive space. The space around her body is like negative space. I'm going to try to work into her negative spaces. And then I'm going to say, go. And she relaxes, but I hold it. And she's going to look for my negative space that's around my body and figure out how she can become a part of the puzzle, fit in together with me, not separate, but together, like 2 pieces of a puzzle. Patricia likes to balance. Okay, and then she says, go. Right, that relaxes me. Go. I can't. Okay. Go. Go. Okay. You can relax. So you can see we could. I am getting a workout. All right, so we could go on to infinity, because that's how big our creativity is, that we will never run out of ideas. But the important part is that trigger word, which is? Go. The trigger word gives you control of when you move and when you freeze. Now, I like to try something new, which is doing it with music. Because all you have to do is say go. You're not discussing anything. You're not telling anybody any information other than go. All right? So decide who's going to go, or actually partner B, you get to go first. Get ready. We're going to start with actual magma. I see low shapes, middle shapes. Wonderful work using the negative space. And everybody freeze right where you're at. Freeze. We're going to shift now to so your shapes should change. The next person whose turn it is, go Craggedy, hard, jaggedy shapes. Go. Organic shapes. I applaud you. That was beautiful.